Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Natalie. If you're new here, welcome, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also press that notification so that you can get notified once I upload a new tutorial. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I trim my ends, and as you can see, my ends are really bad, but by the end of this video we will have chopped the bad end or the splits. So I got my hair stretched using the African threading method. It's not that much straight, but it's better than using heat. In this tutorial, what you're going to need is this brush. It could be any, and a pair of scissors, of course, to trim the ends. And as you can see, I have sectioned my hair into 4 parts, and I'm going to start from the back. So I'll just brush off the hair to ensure like my ends are really good for the trimming. As you can see, my ends are really bad. It's been almost 5 months since I have trimmed, or the last time I trimmed my hair, so this is just too much. So yep, that's it. So I'm going to redo the same process for the hair, nothing special, just brushing it off with a comb and then just trimming off. This side has been trimmed, and this side, you can see the ends are really slim, and you can see this has a little bit of shape. I will just make a simple style, and then that will be it. From deep in my soul. This is the amount of hair that I managed to trim. Yes, this is more because the last time I trimmed my hair was 5 months ago, and this had to go down. Thank you guys for watching this video. Until next time, see you. Bye.